So our goal in this question is going to be to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept for the following function, which is that f of x is equal to 3x plus 5. And so what I first of all like to do is always kind of graph the function to get an idea of how it looks. So rather than finding the exact kind of values of the function, I just give a rough sort of graph, because we know that this is a linear function and it's 3x, which is quite a steep slope. So it's going to look kind of something like this. And we're trying to find out where it crosses the y-axis and also where it crosses the x-axis. So that's the other kind of way of explaining the x and y-intercept. It's just where it intersects with the axis. And so the most straightforward way of doing this is to first of all plug in f of 0. So f of 0 is where x is equal to 0, and that means that f of 0 is going to give us where it crosses the y-axis, because this is directly above where x is equal to 0 at the origin. And so f of 0 is just going to be 3 times 0 plus 5, which is just 5. And that is just the same as the y-intercept. And this also links back to coordinate geometry, because if we were to have a line in the form y is equal to mx plus c, we know that c is where the line crosses the y-axis, or the y-intercept. And so we've actually found the second step for this question first, just because that was kind of the order it ended up happening in. But now we're going to go back to step 1. And the way to do this is to set f of x is equal to 0. And so we get 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. And now we're going to work backwards to find the value of x. So the first thing we do is just subtract 5 from both sides. So we get 3x is equal to minus 5. And then dividing across by 3, we get that x is equal to minus 5 over 3. And so our x-intercept, or where it crosses the x-axis, is going to be at x is equal to minus 5 over 3. So that's down here. And just to be on the safe side, I would also give these as coordinates. So our y-intercept is going to be the point 0, 5, and our x-intercept is going to be the point minus 5 over 3, comma 0. So we've got our two coordinates in now, and that is going to be it for this question.